everyone, it's Heidi, and I just thought it's been a while since I've been on here, so since it's getting really close to Christmas, I wanted to highlight some Christmas oils. I'm wearing my goofy ugly Christmas sweater today. We have an event tonight, so I figured, I'll just wear it for my video too. So, just 3 oils that I wanted to talk about today that remind me of Christmas. One is frankincense, and pretty common gold, frankincense, and myrrh with Jesus. So I'll talk about frankincense and myrrh. Frankincense was a very precious commodity in Bible times. It still is now even. They used it for religious ceremony. It also stimulates the immune system, can help reduce stress, which is also good for us. And my daughter and I were talking, and we were wondering, we thought, well, frankincense is good for like skin, helping with scarring, making your skin look better and all that kind of thing. So she said, well, maybe frankincense was more for Mary than it was for baby Jesus, but it could be used for everyone. So frankincense is just an all-around good oil. I really can't share exactly everything because there's such a huge list. But look up frankincense on Google and see what it's good for. Look in your reference books. If you don't have a essential oil desk reference like this, let me know. So that's a great oil for Christmas or any time of the year. Myrrh is the other oil that was given to Jesus and Joseph and Mary. It's a very thick oil, so I always have a hard time getting my bottle open because it's kind of gets thick. So I usually have to either run it over some warm water or something like that to get it open. But it was also valuable in Bible times, also valuable now. It was used for religious ceremonies, medicinal reasons. It also helps, in the study I saw, it said it decreased weight gain in mice, which is kind of interesting. It's also real good for your skin too. Good for immune boosting, good for stability and motivation. So lots of good properties from myrrh. And then the last one I want to talk about is Christmas Spirit. This is actually a blend that Gary Young put together. This has orange, cinnamon bark, and spruce in it. You can diffuse it. It'll promote happiness and well-being. And I really do need a lot of Christmas spirit because I only like Christmas for about a week or two. So this 12 weeks of Christmas is a little crazy. So sometimes I put Christmas spirit on because I kind of feel like a Scrooge. But it can help produce happiness and well-being. So I probably need that. It has orange. So orange is good for calming and peace. It's just good for joy. It just helps you with a joyful mood. I've had lots of people scan for this too, maybe people that maybe are a little bit depressed or that kind of thing. So cinnamon or Christmas spirit can be good all times of year. Cinnamon bark is also in it, and that is spicy and warming, kind of gives you a warm feeling, homey and that kind of thing. And then it has spruce, and spruce is grounding and helps you release emotional blocks and things like that. So look into that. Maybe that might be something you'd want to use. It's also, Christmas spirit is used for anger, emotions, and bringing about protection. So if you deal with a lot of, bad emotions, maybe even related to Christmas time, or you find yourself angry all the time, that kind of thing, the orange oil in here is good, and the whole blend of Christmas spirit might be good to apply or diffuse or whatever. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys have a great season. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always glad to help you. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.